Good afternoon, children. Now we will continue lesson 11th commerce. Once again, I like to tell about that bank savings account or savings deposits and fixed deposits and recurring deposits. Watch the lesson very carefully. At the end of the lesson, boys are running away from this scene. So please bear with us and try to tell out your understandings. Okay, this we are evaluating the understanding capacity of you. Okay, how far you understood, that's all. Not for giving punishment. It is only for evaluating your understanding capacity. So watch the lesson very carefully and don't move from here and there, and don't allow other external disturbances from others. So watch the class. So last class we saw about the functions of commercial bank. Functions of commercial banks. You should know very well why we are in need of banks. Why we are in need of banks and its functions. If you go to the bank, you come to know the functions. Okay, and you should have some knowledge about the functions of commercial banks. So it is very easy in future. If you move to the bank, you can understand very well, and you can follow the what you call further proceedings. Now let's see that discounting of bills. Discounting of bills. This is in between buyer and seller. In between buyer and seller. The buyer, so this is called bill of exchange. This is called the bill of exchange. They did the business for 1,50,000. They did the business for 1,50,000. Here the stamp will be fixed. Here the stamp will be fixed. This bill of exchange is equal to check. The bill of exchange is equal to check. Buyer in one place, seller in other place. Buyer in one place, seller in other place. Say for example, Delhi or Kashmir and other places, Bombay, Calcutta, like that. So here you can see that this is an order. This is an order given by the buyer to the seller, given by the buyer to the seller. This is called bill of exchange. So in the due course of business, the business time, the buyer, so all the time carrying money is impossible. Okay, wow? So money is a very difficult one. So let's see that bill of exchange. This Tamil, you can see this matru cheat. In Tamil, it is used to say that matru cheat. This buyer will draw this bill of exchange against the seller, for the sum assured 1,50,000. For the sum assured 1,50,000. The needs of money. The what you call the seller needs of money. Seller needs of money. He can go to the bank, move to the bank, and show this bill of exchange. Okay, drawn in favor of him. Drawn in favor of him. Here, Q, the business dealing with the Q and R. Business dealing Q and R. R is the person buyer, Q is the person seller. Okay. So the R is given the assurance. R is given the assurance to the seller about the amount. In time of money needed, the seller can move to the bank, okay, and ask loan. This is a bill of exchange contains 1,50,000. He can demand 1 lakh rupees. Okay, he can demand some amount less. I mean 1,50,000 means 1,30,000, 1,20,000, 1 lakh like that. So he can claim the amount from the bank and show in this bill of exchange 1 lakh rupees. Okay, for 3 months period. The period mentioned here 3 months period. Okay, this is valid only for 3 months. So 3 months money can be rotated. So at the end of this 3 months, okay, automatically the what do you call buyer has to pay the amount to the seller, or else the amount will be collected from the buyer from the bank. Okay, deducting that money, how much money he borrowed. Say for example 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh from the buyer has to pay to the bank. Are you clear? So this is called equal to the check. Equal to the check. This is called what you call money value. Is having the money value or money worth for during the 3 months period. Okay, so after the 3 months period, automatically it is invalid. Amount will be settled to the bank. Amount will be settled to the bank. Not, this is called a bill of exchange. And then it is a short-term credit. It is a short-term credit. So on showing this bill of exchange, the what you call the person, I mean the seller can claim the amount from the bank. And then Matheus, don't move here and there. And banks deduct the discount for the period mentioned in the bill and release the balance amount to the traders. And it is called unsecured credit. It is called a unsecured credit. What is a secured credit? What do you mean by unsecured credit? Secured credit means, okay, some security you have to give to the bank, either building, house, or commercial building, or jewel. This is called security. Okay, unsecurity means only by showing these bills or checks is called a unsecured credit. The bill is dishonored. The bill is dishonored. The bank can recover the amount from the customer. Can recover from the customer. It can recover from the amount from the customer. Example: X orders Y to pay. X orders Y to pay 50,000 for 90 days. After date, I mean after third month, Y accepts this order by signing his name. It is called a bill of exchange. Y has to sign this order. This is to pay the amount. It is called bill of exchange. Now we see that loans. What do you mean by loans? You know very well. Loans means kadan. Loans means kadan. Here, we would like to ask what do you mean by a loan? If it is a definite sum of money lent for a definite period. Okay, 5 lakh ரூபாய் கடன் 1 year period. Okay, so definite amount, so definite period. It is repayable in one lump sum or in installments. Either monthly we pay the amount. You can pay the amount, or else at a stage 1 lakh repaid like that. Okay, can be repayable. Short-term and medium-term loans are provided by commercial banks. Banks provide short-term and medium-term. What do you mean by short-term? 6 months to 1 year, 2 year, 3 year like that. Okay, and then medium-term 5 to 10 years, 5 to 10 years, and then long-term. Okay, 20 years, 30 years like that. So that is called a long-term. So the customers against eligible collaterals to business concerns. Against collateral concerns. What do you mean by collateral? Jewel or house, building or plot. Okay, all the immovable properties are called a collateral security. And then loan is provided by banks to students. But even banks provide the loans to the students also by studying to study UG undergraduate, PG postgraduate, or the professional courses like MBA, MS. So like that, the banks used to give the loan to the students also. First, we see that housing loan. Housing loan means வீட்டு கடன். How the banks are giving housing loan to the customer? Taken to the title, deeds of the house as collateral. அந்த பத்திரத்தை வீட்டு பத்திரத்தை ஓகேவா they keep as a collateral. Bank used to keep as a collateral. When you demand the house loan, first banks used to ask the sir please bring your land document, parent document, and what you call EC, encumbrance certificate, villanga chandru, and then what you call customers what you call capacity, customers capacity, pay slip, and then Aadhaar card and PAN card and bank statements and CIBIL score and then PAN card. All they will scrutinize. And tell the customer you come after 1 month. You come after 1 month like that. Okay, so this bank, this Gudvanjeri State Bank will forward these particulars and everything pass to the district banks. Okay, district level control. They place the order. Okay, 80% of the loan you give like that. Okay, so like that. This is called a housing loan. Till you repay the loan, they will not hand over the document. Okay, manager can be changed, but document will be in the same bank itself. So based on monthly income of the borrowing customer, banks advances medium and long term loans. As I said, 5 to 10 years is the medium term and 10 to 30 years is called a long term. And then the customer repay the loan in equated monthly installment. That's called ECS check, electronic check. Okay, ECS check. They last file what you call 3 check you give or 5 check you give that. Okay, so 5 into 30. They will write in that 5 into 30. Okay, so how much now they are giving the loan for what you call 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 1,000 rupees. 1 lakh means it comes now the new loan scheme according to that they give 1 lakh 675. If you apply 1 lakh 670, 10 lakh means 675 into multiplied by 10. If it is 1 crore means multiplied by 100, like that. Okay, so every month the date, particular date. Okay, either 5 or whatever the date you fix it, in that date they will what you call automatically, okay, without your knowledge, whether you say yes or no, they will collect them. That is called e-check. I mean ECS check, electronic check. And then consumer loan. What do you mean by consumer loan? Consumer durables. You want to buy the fridge, you want to buy AC, you want to buy computer, you want to buy a washing machine, you want to buy TV, whatever you want to buy. Okay, this is called a consumer loan. Can be purchased by customers with consumer loans from banks. You can get it from the loan from the banks. The product purchased is hypothecated as security for the consumer loan amount. Okay, the same product will be kept as a hypothecated. What do you mean by hypothecated? Adamanam. Okay, so you are buying the TV 1 lakh rupees, you are buying the computer 50,000 rupees, you are buying the laptop 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so all these things will be hypothecated, by the bank. Okay, even now the what you call the showroom itself, they have the private finance. Okay, MM Finance, Sriram Finance, and Mahindra Finance, and Cholamandalam finance. So a lot of finances are there. So they will recommend that. They will recommend that, sir. You younger bank sir. We are ready to give. You please submit your payslip and Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance. Even I also borrowed a AC machine. Okay, through by paying the pay certificate and bank passbook, showing the passbook. I applied the loan. Now everything is over. So like that, you can avail the thing that is called a consumer loan. Okay, and then vehicle loans. What do you mean by vehicle loans? Second point. Third point, vehicle loan. What do you mean by vehicle loan? Vehicle loan means வண்டி வாங்குறது கடன். Okay, not for old vehicle, only new vehicle only they provide the loan. Okay, you want to buy the scooter, you want to buy the bike, you want to buy the car, you want to buy the lorry, you want to buy the van, whatever it is. Okay, so private vehicle and commercial vehicle like that separate will be there. But for the private vehicle, they will give the loan. Okay, that is called a vehicle loan. So the period, what do you call down payment you want to pay. So want to get a vehicle loan means a down payment like according to the value of the goods. Scooter means 1,90,000 or 1 lakh like that. So 25% you want to pay, 25,000 you want to pay. The remaining 75%, 75,000 will be as a loan. Okay, 75,000 divided by 12 months or as you said, as you decide, as you determined the periods. Okay, so scooter loan, vehicle loan, and car loan also you are available. Car loan also they are ready to give by the bank. That loan is called a vehicle loans. So vehicles are hypothecated. If you apply the vehicle loan, okay, passbook, what you call the RC book they will be given to you. Number plate, insurance, all they will give. Okay, and then RC book they will give. In that RC book, they put the seal, bank seal. Okay. This registration number vehicle under hypothecated by State Bank of India or by Indian Bank or by Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank or Citibank, whatever the bank you applied. So that loan is called a vehicle loan. Now let's see, vehicle registration bank book is deposited with the bank. So they will give the two keys. One key is with you, original key. They will give the, if you apply the bank loan, they will give the two keys by the showroom people. So one key will be with you and one key will be with finance or bank. Okay, so unless you pay the amount, unless you settle the amount, not pay the amount, unless you settle the amount, they will keep with them. Okay, once you finish the loan, okay, once you finish the loan paying, they will hand it over to the customer. That is called a vehicle loan. And then fourth one, educational loan. We can say that Kalvi Kadan. How they are giving? Once you completed plus two in Bardea school, once you completed plus 2 in Bardea school, for further studies, you need some money. That is okay. So you can go to the bank and submitting your certificate, showing your Xerox copy of the certificates and residence proof and PAN card, everything. Okay, and passbook, all Xerox, and then income of the parent. If you submit immediately, they will provide the education loan. Okay, so you are asking 50,000 rupees yearly means they will remit the money, they will give the money, or they will sanction the money every year. So degree means 3 years. Okay, engineering means 5 years. So all the 4 years, all the 4 years they will be giving regularly. Yearly 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000 like that as a fees of the student. Okay, so that is called a education loan. For this education loan, a minimum interest will be charged in that by the bank. So you have to pay, okay, interest every month, and then what you call principal also you want to pay. Okay, if you are not paying, it will be accumulated. It will be accumulated. The what you call interest on interest. If you are not paying the interest, okay, they will charge interest on interest. Vatti meedu vatti. Okay, they will charge. So it's a very dangerous one. So, and also it is very convenient one also. So those and all want education loan. So please what you call approach the bank, concerned banks. And then jewel loan. What do you mean by jewel loan? Nagai kadan. Jewel loan means nagai kadan. Everybody knows that. Even I also applied the jewel loan. You see that. What is meant by jewel loan? Nagai kadan. Customers pledge their gold jewels. ஓகேவா, நம்மக்கிட்ட எவ்வளோ நகை இருக்கோ அதை கொண்டு போய் பேங்க் கொண்டு போகணும். தேர் வில் பி த பர்சன் நேம் கால்டு அப்ரைசர். ஓகேவா, இந்த மார்னிங் ஏர்லி மார்னிங் அப்படியே 9 o'clock 9:30 யூ ஹேவ் டு கெட் த டோக்கன் அண்ட் யூ ஹேவ் டு வெயிட் தேர். ஓகேவா, வித் த ஜுவல். ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் he what you call entered your name in the application, he will call up according to the customer queue. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, sir. They will assess the value. That person is called appraiser. He used to appraise the jewel. Okay, and the maximum for the RBI, what you call bank rate. That's called bank rate. Per sovereign per gram 3,200. That is different from bank to bank. Okay, TMB that they will give a different rate. Citibank they will give a different rate. And Canara Bank they will be given different rate, and State Bank will be different rate. So whatever it is, whatever the bank, you must be the customer of that bank. You must be customer of that bank, because they never given the money in hand. Okay, they will keep the what you call transfer the money into the account, into your account. Okay, so you must be customer. So you should have the passbook, and passbook should be maintained in the what you call minimum balance. Okay, then if you approach the appraiser, he will assess the what you call gold or jewels, everything. Okay, then he will fix the rate. How much you want money? How much you want money, sir? For 40 grams, how much, sir? 40 grams, 1 lakh you can avail, or 2 lakh you can avail, like that. Because per gram 40 means 40 into 8. 1 sovereign contains 8 gram. 1 sovereign contains 8 gram. So 40 sovereign means what you call 40 into 8. So 8 crores are 320 grams. 20 grams will be deducted. So 300 into 3,200 rupees. So almost 10,000 you can get the bank jewel loan. Are you clear? 3,200 bank rate per gram. So some minimum deduction they will keep. Okay, so 10 gram what you call 10 sovereign means they used to deduct 2 gram. அதை கொஞ்சம் கழிச்சுக்குவாங்க. So then the remaining balance they will give. So 10 lakh rupees you can avail the jewel loan. This jewel loan for 1 year only. Jewel loan for 1 year only. So you must within 1 year you want to repay the amount. Then you can keep the loan. Okay, so that is bank rules. So the margin requirement fixed by the RBI. So interest should be paid every month. If you are not paying the interest properly, regularly, and then what you call if you are not able to redeem, okay, they will declare as action. Actionna ஏலத்துக்கு விட்டுருவேன், பணம் கட்டல, அதனால உங்க நகையை ஏலத்துக்கு விட்டுருவேன், like that they will tell. So the amount you can repledge and avail the loan. Okay, that is called a jewel loan. So I told that housing loan and consumer loan and vehicle loan and education loan and jewel loan. Are you clear? Okay. Now let's see that creation of credit. What do you mean by creation of credit? So the bank கடனை உருவாக்குதல் கடனை உருவாக்குதல் apart from the currency money issued by the RBI apart from the currency money issued by the RBI the credit money in circulation created by commercial banks influence economic activities of a country to a large extent so credit money of commercial banks is far greater in volume than the currency money. Okay, that's called digital finance or fund transfer like that. Okay, so the banks used to give the what you call avoid in the currency money and then transfer the money to customers account. Okay, that amount is called credit money. Okay, if you avail loan 10 lakh rupees they will not give 10 lakh rupees cash in hand. Okay, they will transfer in your account. They will transfer the money in your account. Just a second they will transfer. Okay, they keep the ready. Now everything is what you call computerized. Everything is computerized. You need not wait for everything. Okay, the moment the bank said over means the day itself they can sanction the amount. The day itself they can sanction the amount. Okay, because it is all digital money. And then so far we have been studying about the primary functions. Now we see that secondary function. What do you mean by secondary function? What do you mean by secondary function? Banks act as agents. Banks act as an agents of customers and provide certain services. They are called agency function. Okay, suppose you want to book a ticket. You want to book a flight ticket or train ticket or bus ticket, whatever it is. Okay, now other systems are here. Okay, train ticket. What you call you have to download the in the what you call mobile app. Okay, railways, Indian railways like that. So from sitting at home, நீ இப்பெல்லாம் போய் ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷனில் போய் கியூவில் நின்று டிக்கெட் வாங்க வேண்டிய அவசியமே கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? வாட் ட்ரெயின், எந்த ட்ரெயின், ட்ரெயின் நம்பர் வாட், வேர் இஸ் த departure place. Okay, either Tambaram or Changalpat like that. Okay, from there you can get into the train. Okay, and the tickets and everything payments will be paid by the bank. Payment will be paid by the bank. If you apply the what you call railway ticket, the bank will be given the what you call transfer the funds. Okay, to the railway department. Okay, so you will get the message. So and so the time what you call the Vaigai train or other trains got a seat number SC 8 like that they will be given. So you have to find out the SC coach. Okay, and you can claim that train. So banks, what I mean to say, the banks act as a what you call agents to the customer. Okay, and even what you call money paid to the what you call loan, money paid to the university. You want to pay the money to the university. Okay, and then all those things, that is called transfer of funds. That is called transfer of funds. Banks issue DD. You know very well DD. DD means demand draft. DD means demand draft. Because university, Annamala University or Madras University, whatever the university, they used to ask only the demand draft. So the banks used to give the check or demand draft and help in transfer of funds from one place to another. Customers need not carry cash. நீ பணம் எடுத்துட்டு போக வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. ஓகேவா? 50,000 or 5 lakh, you need not take the cash to the bank. Okay, just by money transfer. Money will be going there. A small commission is collected by banks for this service. For that, the banks used to collect a small commission. So a small commission, that is called transfer of funds. Transfer of funds. So nowadays, just by taking the phone, mobile phone, okay, you can avail GPay, okay, GPay, phone pay, and then other transfer of funds. So many things are there, okay. So want to buy what you call snacks, okay, which what are the item uh, from to order, from to, okay, from Guduvancheri to the Adyar Ananda Bhavan, like that, okay. So you can buy transfer in the fund, automatically the food will be coming here. That's called Zomato people are there. Zomato what you call thing app is there, and then the other apps are there. Okay, if you download that, even Ola car also. Okay, if you download Ola app, you can go anywhere. Okay, in that Ola car also they have the divisions: single person or double person, or small car or big car, like that. Okay, and the duration, everything you want to mention in the what you call details. Okay, so automatically the driver will report to you. Okay, this is all what you call being GPS system. GPS system. Okay. So through that they will what you call book the order. So immediately they will make a call to us. Okay, sir, you booked the car, Ola car, no? Okay, we are ready. Within 10 minutes the car will be reached here. Now the car is in railway station only. So within 10 minutes we will reach your point. Give you a landmark, like that they tell. Then we can tell Bharatya school Ola car is booked. From the Bharatya school, Ola car is booked. So automatically the car will come out and wait for us. Okay. So this is called, is all possible because of that electronic system. And then at the end of that destination, you can do the fund transfer, G payment. So they have the what you call GP account, G payment account, everything. So by what you call transferring to the phone number or Ola person, you can transfer the fund. Okay, Ola payment will be settled. And then periodic payment of premium, rent, etc. So after instruction from the customers, banks under the monthly payment of insurance premium, okay, the bank they themselves will pay the insurance premium on our name. Okay, what do you call insurance premium, rent, phone bill, etc. from the accounts of customers. Okay, so they pay the amount on behalf of us. Bank pay the amount to our account on behalf of us. Okay, so order, we have to book the order. Nowadays, these payments are made through electronic clearing system facility offered by the bank. This is called electronic clearing system facility offered by the banks. And then collection and payment of checks. Collection and payment of checks. What do you mean by collection and payment of checks? On behalf of customers, bank collect the checks. Bank collects the check, deposited into the accounts of customers from other banks, and deposit cash in the customer's account. Okay, every morning they have the clearing time 11 o'clock, like that. Okay, so before 11, if you hand over the check, okay, so within 2 hours, the check, everything will be loaded by the what do you call this, laptop or computer, loaded to the concerned bank, and whether the amount is ready or not, like that. Okay, so if it is ready, means automatically this to this what do you call sending customer, amount will be credited. Okay, so now it was taken by postal, want to deliver. It was like the olden time, but now it is all digital transaction. Okay, so within 2 hours or 3 hours, automatically the amount will be credited on our name. So this is called a collection and payment. Similarly, checks received by a customer is honored and the amount paid as directed by the customer. Okay, so check வந்துச்சுனாக்கா அந்த கஸ்டமருக்கு இவ்வளவு பணம் கொடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா that also will be done. So that is why bank used to act as a agent to the customer. And then acting as the executors, trustees and attorneys. What is that? Banks act as executors. Banks act as executors of will of the customers and implement their will after their death. Okay, va? See, what is that? We'll explain. Banks act as executors of will of the customers. Customer உடைய விருப்பம் என்னவோ, ஓகேவா, அதுதான், that only bank will use to do. Okay, even that in the death sentence also. So suppose a person, aged person who deposits money 50 lakhs or 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, this amount after my death, the amount will be handed over only to my daughter, means so automatically only the daughter can claim the amount. Son cannot claim the amount. Son cannot claim the amount. So this is called a will. This is called a will of the customer. As a trustee, a bank takes care of the funds of the customer. Okay, funds will be safe and secure. And then banker signs a transfer deed of the properties of the customers in the capacity of attorney customers. Okay, so bankers signs transfer deed of the properties. I mean document, house document or land document, whatever it is, of the customers in the capacity of attorney to customers. Okay, இந்த வாங்குறவங்ககிட்ட இருந்து விற்கிறவங்ககிட்ட பணத்தை கொடுத்துருவாங்க. So automatically they themselves will settle the issues. Supposed to be you are buying the house 25 lakhs or 40 lakhs. So 40 lakhs carrying 25 lakhs carrying is impossible. Okay, so by submitting your what you call this document, automatically fund will be transferred to the seller. And then conduct share market transactions. Conduct a share market transaction. A demat account should be opened with the depository participants. That demat account should be linked with the savings bank account by the customer. First of all, if you are going to the share business, you must open the demat account with the share stockist or share agent. Okay, so your name, this is called a demat account. What you call demat account opened by the agent. Then that demat account number will be what you call enlisted with the savings account or savings bank account by the customer. The customer can do online purchase or sale of securities on behalf of him. Okay, so you are buying the share, some 5 shares or 10 shares or 100 shares. So automatically bank will be paying the money to the agent. And then preparation of income tax return. Banks prepare annual tax return on behalf of the customer and provide income tax related advices to them. Okay, so on behalf of a customer, the banks used to prepare the income tax return on behalf of the customers and provide income tax related advices to them. Under dealings in foreign exchange, banks buy and sell foreign currencies on behalf of customers. இப்போ வந்து US dollar, you are in India, you are doing the, you are working there in that states, US America la work பண்ற. So when you come from America, you will be bringing some dollars, US dollars with you. There's $5,000 or $1,000 like that. Okay, so when you come here, you pay the if you pay the hand over the dollars, dollar cannot be used here. Dollar cannot be used here in India because dollar is American money. India is having rupee money. So money will not be what you call, you cannot exchange the money. Only in the bank, okay, banking sector, they can what you call, if you give, they have the value, market value today, how much? 71 rupees Indian money. Okay, per dollar 71 rupees. Like that, they will calculate the money, then they will hand over the money. Okay, so by getting that, collecting that US dollars, okay, then they give the money, Indian money. Are you clear? That is called exchange. That is called exchange of money, foreign exchange. And then acting as a correspondent. Banks act as correspondent of customers and receive travel ticket and passport, etc. Okay, travel ticket. I want to go to the US, I want to go to UK, I want to go to Australia, Germany, whatever the place. Okay, the banks issue the what you call pay the money to the concerned agencies and handing over the ticket. So the banks hand over the ticket to you. But provided what? You should have the bank balance in bank. You should have the bank balance in the bank. So this is called acting as correspondent. நீ செய்கிற வேலையை பேங்கே செஞ்சிடும். ஓகேவா? You need not go to the what you call airport. You need not go to the airport. You need not go anywhere. Okay, they themselves will settle the amount and get the ticket and hand over to you. Okay, this is called a secondary function. Now let's see that part 2. General utility functions. General utility functions. What do you mean by general utility functions? Banks do primary, secondary and agency function, and commercial banks offer some services for the general welfare of the customer. General welfare of the customer. Banks accept deposits and loans and advances and other functions as a commercial bank offers some services for the general welfare of the customers. So they are called general utility services. Okay. So let us see that in the next class, Thursday, about the thing. Okay. So now I would like to ask some questions, just one word questions, just a recall of, please. Let me ask the question. Jayapradha, are you there? JP. Not answering. And then Kamalesh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell how explain what you can you tell housing, what is housing loan?
Household loan means house loan means house.
So the banks are giving loan against a house.
All in one for house, sir.
Construction. Okay.
All in one for house, sir.
What part?
All in one for house.
Okay. Next question goes to Kishore Kumar. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what do you mean by consumer loan?
Consumer loan. Consumer loan is durables like refrigerator, air conditioner, laptop, washing machine, television, etc.
Very good.
Can be purchased the customs with the consumer loans.
What's your name?
Kishore Kumar, sir.
Kishore Kumar. Okay, good. Next question goes to Kishore. Kishore.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what do you mean by vehicle loan?
Sir.
Vehicle loan.
A vehicle loan is
What do you mean by vehicle loan by?
a vehicle loan is here.
To buy what? To buy?
Banking loan, sir.
A vehicle loan means what, man?
Purchase a new vehicle.
I told many vehicles. Vehicle என்ன? What do you mean by vehicle?
இது 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler.
Huh? 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler.
4-wheeler.
So vehicle loans means வண்டி
Vehicles.
வாங்குறதுக்கு கடன். ஓகேவா?
Okay, sir.
Now you see that. Next, buy. Jayapratha. Jayapratha, are you here? Always is not a response. Okay, now you see that girl side. D. Sweta, are you here? Sweta. Sweta, are you here? No. Then Janani Achaya. Janani Achaya, are you here? What happened, girls? Next girl, Savatini.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what do you mean by education loan?
Loan is provided by banks to students for studying undergraduate, postgraduate, or professional courses, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Next, one more question I would like to ask. What is that? Pavitra, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what do you mean by jewel loan?
Customer pledge their gold jewels and obtain loans from banks.
Yes. Good. That loan is called a jewel loan. Okay, you can say that. Tamil, okay. Okay, good children. Okay, now let me tell a few words. Mind the lesson, go through the lesson very properly, and in order to understand the meanings. Okay, so as soon as go through the lesson and find out the meanings. Thank you very much. We'll wind up the class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Sir,